Hello, this is the sliding chuck from Deckel. On this side it have a adapter for example, the dividing head. I believe this have a diameter of 46 millimeters. Let's have a check this. Yeah. Yeah, that must be 46. Okay, to do one more. Yeah, that must be 46 millimeters. That it can slide like this, so also away from the center. And when you lock this one, you can slide it with a fine adjustment. And with this handle you can lock it in place. It's possible to rotate and lock that one as well. This is a connection holder with holes and thread. Oh, I don't see any threads in there, it's just holes, and from this side you can put in bolts to connect them. This one goes here on top. Here is the piece in the original catalog of Deckel. Number 5, sliding chuck with precision adjustable slide and swivel flange for tilting a 3J jog or a work clamping flange. This unit mounts on the index head spindle. Okay, I have an example here where it is being used. So here it is on the dividing head with this piece here connected, and there's the workpiece. Thank you for watching.